guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today my review is going to take place in my bedroom. Why? Because I just received a new Smartlock. This Smartlock is a new handle that has an integrated combination, numerical combination, where you can open the door with just a combination and your fingerprints. So that's a very advanced smart home lock for your door. The reason why I want to do my bedroom door is because in this room I have a lot of ammunition and guns. So you want to keep this door locked when you want it to be locked. It's just an extra layer of protection for the items that are in this room, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so I'm going to unbox this real quick and we're going to show you what's inside. Instructions, I'm going to try to do it without instructions. There's a few videos you can watch, so you don't have to read the instructions. It looks very lengthy too. It's instructions. I mean, that's a lot of stuff in here. You could also pair this with your cell phone and do a remote unlock. But honestly, if you take your cell phone out and you have to unlock your cell phone and then enter a code or something like that, you may as well just enter the code for your door, you know, so I don't really think I would use that. Comes with the hardware, the lock itself, some accessories, studs, screws, whatever. Here's one end of it with a wire. Looks nice, huh? Nice brushed nickel look. And here's the other side of it, where there's an unlock button from the inside as well. You're going to need 4 AA batteries to put inside here to power it. So now I'm going to install it. I'll put it in time lapse because it may take a while. And then once I have it installed, we'll show you how it works. Okay, so I'm finally finished. As you saw, I had a lot of problems because my tumbler didn't match this one. This one is almost a rectangle sleeve here, where mine was an oval shaped. So I had to do a little bit of grinding. Then using my impact gun, which you shouldn't use because the wood is not strong enough, right? And when the cheap screws that went in there, the head broke off. So I had a screw stuck in there. So I'd use a Dremel tool to grind it down. But that's my problem, you know. It looks fantastic. I had it all worked out. You have to shimmy things a little just to make things fit well. So look, you can press it and now it's locked, okay? You can open it from the inside, but they can't open it from the outside. If you forgot your code or your fingerprint doesn't work, you could also have a key. It comes with 2 keys. You stick your key in, turn it, now you can open it. So 4 ways: key, fingerprint, code, or your phone. A lot of great features in this. It looks really nice. You just have to install it correctly to your existing holes in your doors. This is how it looks in the dark. Look at that, huh? Cool. my new Elemake Smartlock. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Very, very nice. Now this room has an extra layer of protection. If you have valuables and things that you don't want children or anybody else to access, an extra layer of protection on your door, for your safe, whatever. Elemake Smartlock. Link is in the description. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.